Dell Latitude D630 or D610 and D620 are similar. I'm going to show you how to install the Bluetooth and the location of the Bluetooth card. Okay, so first we got to take the battery out, turn it over. We got the main primary battery here in the back. We're going to push these two notches outward, away from each other, and then you're going to pull it slightly towards you. You're going to lift. Okay, I got another secondary battery in here in place of the CD-ROM, right where the CD-ROM goes. I'll try and leave a link to where you can get one of these. They're getting harder to find nowadays, though, because this computer's getting old. This laptop, the Latitude D630. And here's the secondary battery. Okay. Now we're going to open it. I'm trying to do this with one hand so I can get in tighter with the camera. Lay your display down flat. Come with a straight edge screwdriver. We're going to lift this bezel off here in the back here. This is where the power buttons are at. We're going to go over here in the corner. You'll see there's a little notch right here for a screwdriver. You're going to go underneath here. And you're going to finesse it off real slow then. Just lift it off with your hand. You'll hear the notches popping underneath there. That attaches it. Just finesse it off, and then you got the two notches here on the end. Take that out last. Okay, here's where our Bluetooth card goes right here. I'm going to try and connect it with one hand. Here's the card. It's an older card that I found. And okay, you're going to orient the card like this. The flat side and the bottom there. Some of them got the label on this got a label on the back side here. You can't see it in the camera. A little bit there. You're going to plug this in into there. Here. There's the wire here. There's a little wire hanging out here. It's going to go right in the end there. And try and do this. I might lose the camera here for a second. There it is right there. Okay, I just pushed into the wire right there. Okay, and tuck it down in the front first. Go downward that way, away from you. And there's a little notch right there on the right. You got to try and get underneath that and slide it that way. Slide it to the right. There it goes. And that's it. She's in. And tuck your wire back down right here where my thumb is. Okay. That's the Bluetooth on a D630. Okay, and then you bring your flange back here, your bezel. We're going to do the left side first. Put them two notches underneath there. Then just finesse it in with your fingers. Just push down here. There you go. And then Windows, close it up. And we're going to reset your batteries. Got my secondary battery. Got it upside down there. Got the primary battery. Push it down, and you're going to push it this way. There you go. Okay. That's the D630 Dell Latitude Bluetooth installation. Like and subscribe. Leave comments.